The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. At 2:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Damakanobi Point Eggs and Shizuka Point Eggs were reported to be found alive in Los Angeles. It is confirmed that the two are returning. It is unknown if the two can attack people at this time. And also, they're gonna bring Nobita.eggs, Star Butterfly.eggs, and Doraemon.eggs. It's also unknown if they attack. However, all residents of the city of Los Angeles are advised to seek shelter for further events. To repeat, Damakanobi Point Eggs and Shizuka Point Eggs have been found alive in the city of Los Angeles. Seek shelter now for further.
Well, hello again. My name is Tamagunobi. You really think we were gonna be gone forever? Well, you're wrong. We're back stronger than ever. But this time, we're going to get Nobita. It's Star Butterfly. And Doraemon. It's to help citizens of the U. Are you ready for more? Because we will rule the world together. Hey, 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 hiya.